I wake up, I open my eyes, I look around. This is not my room. I sit up, I look at the wall, I look at my bag. Today is my first day. I stand up, I get dressed. I move fast, I feel nervous. I take my phone, I check the time. I check again. I do not want to be late. I walk out of my room. I close the door. I look at the long hallway. Everything is new. I live in a dorm now. My parents are far away. I am here alone. I walk outside. I see big buildings. This is the university. I walk slowly. I look around. Many students are here. They talk and laugh. I look at them. I do not know anyone. No one knows me. I walk to my class. I check the room number. I check again. Yes, this is my class. I go inside. I look for a seat. I do not know where to sit. I feel a little nervous. I sit in the corner. I sit by myself. I look around. Students talk to each other. I stay quiet. I look at my phone. I check the time again. Class will start soon. I feel nervous. I feel a little scared. I think about my parents. They are not here. I am alone. Then a girl sits next to me. She smiles. She says hello. Her smile is comforting. I look at her. I smile back. I say hello. We talk a little. Her name is Mia. She is new too. I feel better. The class starts. We listen. We write. Sometimes I look at her. She looks at me. We smile. I feel a little shy. After class we stand up. We walk outside together. We talk again. We laugh a little. She says she lives in the dorm. I look at her. Me too. We walk back together. I am surprised. I smile. She says her room is next door. We stop at our doors. We laugh again. We say, see you tomorrow. I go into my room. I feel good. Today is my first day. I feel nervous at first. I do not know anyone. But I met Mia in class. We talk all day. Now I have a new friend. She lives next door. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.